We are the group number 6 of section D, export import management. The transaction process is where we are the indentor, Swiss Color is the indentor, and the exporter is Huntsman Singapore, and the importer is Taha Chemical. The bank of exporter is Citibank NA, and the bank of importer is Al Arafa Islami Bank. The CNF agent of exporter is DHL Forwarding Limited. The shipment is partial, so here is another CNF agent. For yard, the agent is Fujian Hangyan International Express. Now the importer's agent is the Trusty Trading Agency, and the shipping lines is for exporter is Denmark Lines, and for yard another is Singapore Airlines.
So the transaction process start with PFI, the pro forma invoice. Swisscolor prepare the PFI according to the order of Taha Chemicals. Then Swisscolor will send a copy of PFI to Taha Chemicals for confirmation. After confirming the PFI, Swisscolor will send the confirmed PFI copy to Huntsman Singapore. After the order confirmation, the importer's bank, Al Arafa Islami Bank, will issue the LC copy. Then he will send the SWIFT message to the advising bank, Citibank NA Singapore. But Swisscolor will collect the LC copy from the issuer's bank for make the work process faster, and will confirm the LC and will send it to Huntsman Singapore. After confirmation of the LC, Huntsman Singapore will issue the invoice, the commercial invoice and packing list. And the invoice and packing list will be sent to indenter Swisscolor. Then Swisscolor will confirm the HS codes, quantity and country of origin of the product, and the weight and volume of the product in the packing list, and will send the invoice and packing list to Taha Chemicals. As we have said before, that Taha Chemicals have requested a partial shipment for this transaction process. The major amount of the transaction will be sent via ship, so the invoice will be sent in two parts. The shipping in sea, the invoice will be sent first, and after that the invoice will be sent for the air shipment. Then Taha Chemical will send the invoice and packing list information to his issuing bank. Then issuing bank will send the message to advising bank that they have started the payment process. So the advising bank will notify the exporter to send the shipment for the products. After getting the confirmation of payment, exporter will issue the bill of landing from the shipping corporation and air bill from the airlines corporation. And the document will be sent to Swisscolor for confirming. Swisscolor will confirm the documents and will send it to Taha Chemicals. The insurance for the transactions product and shipment will be issued by Al Arafa Islami Bank. After getting the confirmation of payment, Huntsman will consult with his CNF agent and will ship the goods. Then Taha Chemicals will send the transport documents to CNF agent. The CNF agent of importer will issue the bill of entry and will clear the product when it will reach the port of importer's country. After shipping the product, as the term of payment was here at site, so the importer will pay the payment to exporter, and this is how the transaction process for this specific transaction has ended. Thank you.